Have you ever sat down to write a story and found yourself staring at a blank page, unsure how to begin? You're definitely not alone. For many writers, starting a story is the hardest part. But what if you had a clear, step-by-step plan to help you write a strong beginning every time? In this video, you'll learn 10 simple steps to craft a powerful opening for your narrative. By the end, you'll have 2 strong paragraphs that set up your story and make you want to keep writing. Let's get started with the first step, reading the prompt carefully. Before you write anything, take a moment to really understand what the assignment is asking. Ask yourself, what is this story about? What kind of situation could happen? Who might be involved? If you can explain the prompt in your own words, you're ready to move on. Step 2, decide how your story will end. It might sound strange to think about the ending before you've even written the beginning, but knowing where your story is headed helps you decide what details to include right from the start. Will your story have a happy ending or a sad one? What will your character learn by the end? Write one sentence that explains how your story will conclude. This will be your guide as you write. Now it's time to organize your paper. At the top, write the word beginning. Underneath, make 2 sections, one for the setting paragraph and one for the character paragraph. In each section, jot down words or short phrases about what you want to include. Don't worry about full sentences yet, just get your ideas down. With your plan in place, you're ready to write your first sentence, also known as the hook. The hook is what grabs your reader's attention and pulls them into your story. There are lots of ways to start. You could use a sound, an action, a question, or a strong feeling. Choose one type of hook and write a single sentence that makes your reader want to know more. After your hook, your reader will want to know who the story is about. Below your hook, write one clear sentence introducing your main character and how they feel at the beginning of the story. This helps your reader connect with your character right away. Now, continue your first paragraph by showing your character in the setting. Write 2 to 3 sentences that describe what your character sees, hears, and feels in this place. Remember, the setting isn't just a backdrop. It affects your character. Use sensory details and maybe even a simile or metaphor to bring the scene to life. For your second paragraph, help your reader understand your character more deeply. Start with 1 or 2 sentences that show what kind of person your character is, how they think, or what matters to them. You can reveal this through their thoughts, reactions, or small actions. Next, add a sentence or 2 about how your character looks or a habit they have. Make sure these details are important for the rest of your story. Finally, end your second paragraph with a hint about what's coming next. This could be a line of dialogue, a strong thought, or a bit of figurative language. It's just a hint, not the main problem yet, but it should make your reader curious. Once you've written both paragraphs, reread them. Ask yourself, did I hook the reader? Can I picture the setting? Do I understand the character? Does every sentence have a purpose? If you can answer yes, you're ready to move on. A strong beginning pulls the reader in, builds the world, helps us understand the character, and prepares us for what comes next. With these 2 paragraphs, you're ready to write the middle of your story.